Hi everybody, I've got this beautiful pack from Pixi Skintreats. It's their daily dose of skin brightening with vitamin C, and I'm going to be using it today to help me to give me that boost of power in my skin with all that goodness of vitamin C. So I'm just going to open this up and just show you what's in the jar. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 products for that 5-step daily dose. So step number 1 is the vitamin C juice cleanser, and I'm going to be taking this onto a clean cotton pad and then just dabbing it across all of my skin. It's got this cool little pump here, and so I'm just going to place the cotton pad and just pump it up, and it goes straight into the cotton pad. And then I'm just going to use that to cleanse my skin. So that's step number 1 done. Now I'm going to go in with the vitamin C tonic water. You'll all know that I really adore the Pixi tonic water with orange blossom and also their Rosewater. So I'm really excited about using this one, which is with vitamin C. Vitamin C is one of those ingredients that is just super beneficial, and is almost like food nourishing for the skin to look healthy, glowing, less dull, and much more brightening. So this is an incredible product that I'm trying out, and this whole range is just so useful for getting rid of that dry, dull, tired skin and just pumping it up with a bit of revitalization and energy. That's the tonic water done. I'm now going to go in with the vitamin C serum. Now with this, I'm also going to be using my jade roller because I really want to penetrate this product straight into my skin and get it really deep in. So I'm going to take a couple of pumps here into my hand, and I'm just going to work that into my skin, including the neck area. And then now with the jade roller, I'm going to be going outwards. Now this helps to penetrate, but also it helps with the lymphatic drainage. And I know for my face, I do retain quite a bit of water, so I do it here daily in the mornings and in the evenings, because it helps with the puffiness, but it also helps with helping to circulate the blood around the face, and also with collagen boosting. And then of course the vitamin C is just luscious for our skin. You'll notice that I'm working upwards because I don't want to drag the skin down. And I'm going to use the other side for the smaller areas. And the more gentle areas, especially where the skin is thin. Again, just work outwards. Next up, I've got the vitamin C lotion. This is the hydrating lotion, and again I've just put it onto my hand. I'm going to warm it up, and then I'm just going to press into my skin and then rub it in. Totally not forgetting the neck area. Last but by no means least, I'm going to add in the vitamin mask. It's a caviar balm. It's an encapsulated vitamin mask, so it's going to allow it to absorb into the skin, and we're just going to place it on rather than sort of removing it away at all. We're just going to spread it onto the skin and massage it in and just let it absorb. This is beautiful, and you can smell the fragrance of orange. So gorgeous. Not forgetting the neck again. So guys, that was my quick video on the Pixi Skintreats 5 days of daily skin brightening using their vitamin C ingredient and products. I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed doing it. I've been using this product for a few days now and I'm really enjoying it. I'm going to let you know how I get on with it more in Instagram in the coming weeks, because I also like to try something for at least kind of a month before I kind of give it a judgment. But for now, I know that I love the Pixi Beauty products. I know I love the tonic water. I know I love the fragrance and the essence of orange going into my skin. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to love this one too. And it feels amazing on me. Not too kind of greasy, not too dry either. Just really nicely moisturized and easy enough for me to work in with the jade roller that I've got with the serum. So I'll let you know how I get on. And for all behind the scenes footage, catch me on Instagram or Facebook and Twitter as well. And I'll see you next week for an incredible video that you've all been waiting for and you all have recently polled for on my Instagram feed. Can't wait to share that with you, and I will see you again then. Bye!